Hi, so we are going to remove the white of the paper so that the line work are the only pixels on this layer, and we are going to use channels to do that. You should already have a line work layer, and it should be enhanced using levels to make the blacks very black and the whites very white. You should have already done that. If not, image, adjustment, levels. And you're just going in here with the white one, see how it gets lighter, and the black one. But I already did that, and you should have also, so that should be taken care of. Okay. Let's go to Window, Channels, just here. Channels shows me the three channels together that are creating the image. If I go to Image Mode, this is an RGB color file. Therefore, it's using red, green, and blue mixed together to create this image. So that's why you have red, green, and blue, and then you have the mixture of them all. What you're going to do is you're going to take your mouse and you're going to put it on top. Just make sure you're putting it on top of the RGB layer, and then the thumbnail area, not the words but this part. Press Command or Control on a PC. See how when I press Command I get a marquee box? So now I'm going to click. So Command click or Control click. What just happened? It selected all of the white. Now I'm going to go to my layers. You have your line work layer. We need to have that selected. And now press Delete on your computer. And you can see, let's do that again, delete. It deleted everything that was white. Now I'm going to deselect, select, deselect, or Command D, Control D. I like to put another layer in here that is just a white layer. If you don't have one, make a new layer. Put it underneath your line work. Get your default colors. Press D. Shortcut key D on the computer gives you default colors. Fill with the background color, which is white, is Command Delete or Control Delete. Option or Alt Delete is fill with the foreground color, which was this one. So we want that one. That way you can see your line mark on top of something. If you notice things getting a little bit lighter because you deleted the white, what you can do is make a duplication of this layer. A fast way to make a duplication is Command J. That Command J is a copy and a paste in one thing. So see how it gets, especially in here, it gets slightly darker. So if I like that, I want to merge them. So let's take this under that, select multiple, so shift click to select multiple. I want to merge these. Command E is shortcut, or you can go here and merge them. So that's how you use channels to remove the white of the paper in a scan if you scanned in your drawing traditionally.